My name is Glenford Gums, aka Valor South of South Valor, originally where kites were made. Today I will demonstrate to you how to make a kite from fibre pole. Making kites also can be made from the sage-fat trees. I'm about to collect some Sisal, better known as fibre pole. Okay, I've collected my fibre pole. I'll be going to prepare it to make my kite. Now we're going to strip the fibre pole to make the bones, what you call the bones of the kite. Stripping the fibre pole to make the bones of the kite. Preparing, all that is part of it. You get little bits and pieces of fibre pole in your hand. Now you're going to clean off. The fibre pole has a little white, so you're going to clean that off to a little thin area. You're cleaning that off. We prepare the bone. We're making a little groove in it so the string don't slip off. So you make a notch on either end of the bone, which you also call the sticks, so the string doesn't slip off when you're making the frame with the string around the kite. Prepared 3 sticks, 2 of the same length, 1 shorter. Then you're going to put the 2 long ones. The shorter one goes as the crossbar. Once you have your string, you're going to then begin to frame the kite. Framing the kite, you got to get it to a stable position. Framing the kite, you're going to go in, out, wrapping the line through the crosses, getting the frame to be stable. Bring up the string, wrapping the string up, around, make a hitch. You're making a hitch. Making a hitch. After framing your kite, you're gonna get your paper, dish with your aloes, a little bit of your mother flour that you might have taken up, and some water, scissors for cutting, and you'll be ready for papering the kite. Aloes is used into the flour to stop the rats in them when you store your kite from eating off the paper. Back in the days you used the flour because you didn't have glue. The paste is now mixed. After you've added water to the flour and the aloes, your paste is now mixed. Paste is ready to paste your kite. Preparing for papering. Into the other stage, you have paper, put on your paper. Now you can put the paper from thing, but you apply paper. If you want 1 piece of paper that can fit the whole kite, you just put that on. If you don't, then you have to do it in stages where you just fit out the paper. Trimming the paper so you can fit around the string. Okay folks, as you can see, we have the top side of the kite papered. Now we're going to paper the bottom side. Paste is looking nice. Nicely pasting the kite. Now that the kite is finished papered, the next process will be to put on your loops. So you're gonna get pieces of string to put on your loops. We have different types of loops. Mountain loops, climbing loops, sleeping loops. Where on the mountain loops, you can have the string a little lower. The climbing loops, your string can be a little higher. And then you'll have your sleeping loops where you can get your kite sleeping like a baby. If you can see, we have some loops. Most likely these would be mountain loops. 2 hitch notch. Since we have the tail loops, we're gonna make preparation for tail. It's time to heist the kite.